Morning, dear children. Children, in today's math session, we are going to start another branch of mathematics that is known as geometry. Okay, so here in this chapter, you're going to learn about the description of basic shapes and their specifications. Okay, so let's begin the chapter, children. So, at the very first step, you need to know that what is geometry. So geometry is a branch of mathematics that deals with shapes and sizes of variety of things we see in everyday life. Okay, so basically geometry deals with the shapes and sizes of things, okay, we see in our daily life. So, children, in class 2, you already have studied about the four basic geometrical shapes, that is triangle, square, rectangle, and circle. So, here in this chapter, you're going to learn the description of these basic shapes. Okay? So, children, apart from these geometrical shapes, there are more shapes that you see in your daily life that are cones, cylinder, and the other shapes. And the shapes that you people are seeing over here are plane shapes and two-dimensional shapes. Okay, so these shapes have two dimensions, that is length and breadth. Okay, so you can only see the two dimensions of these figures. So they are 2D shapes. Okay, so let's move on to the description of these basic shapes one by one. Okay, children, so let's take up the description part. So the very first figure that is taken over here is of a triangle. So as you can see, this figure is of triangle. Okay, this figure is of a triangle. So let's move on to the details of the triangle. Okay, so the very first thing you need to know is a triangle has three sides. As you can see over here, a triangle is made up of three sides. This side AB, the side BC, and the side AC. I have named this triangle with the alphabets A, B, and C. Okay, so the name of the triangle is triangle ABC. So these are the three sides of a triangle. Okay, so you need to know this. A triangle has three sides, and here in this triangle, the sides are side AB, side AC, and side BC. Okay. Then the second thing, a triangle has three vertices. So now the question arises, what is a vertex or what are vertices? So the meeting point of two sides. Okay, here you can see the vertex A, the meeting point of two sides is known as a vertex. Okay, so here A is the vertex, here B is another vertex, and C is the third vertex. So how many vertex a triangle have? It has three vertices. It is written over here, a triangle has three vertices. So here in this triangle, vertex are vertex A, vertex B, and vertex C. So you need to learn this. The meeting point of two sides, the V-like structure, is a vertex. Okay, children? So here three vertices are there. Okay? The third thing you need to learn is the sides of a triangle may or may not be equal. So a triangle can have equal sides or it can have different sides or sides of different lengths. Okay. Children, let's take up another geometrical shape, that is a square. As you can see over here, this is the shape of a square. Okay. So let's talk about the basic details of this square. Okay. So first I'll teach you how to name this square. So you'll represent each and every vertex with alphabets. Okay. So here I have named it as A, B, C, D. So it will be a square A, B, C, D. Okay. So the name of this square will be A, B, C, D. Okay. So children, the name of this square is A, B, C, D. Each vertex of this square is represented with one alphabet. Okay. So let's talk about the description. So a square has four sides. As you can see over here, it is made up of four different lines. Okay. Of the same length. So here a square has four sides. And if you can see in this diagram, there are four sides. Sides AB, side BC, side CD and sides AD, or you can name it as DC also. So here a square, this shows a square is made up of four sides. And since it has four sides, it has four vertices also. Okay. And see, meeting points of two different lines or two lines here. The junction of two lines. Vertex A, vertex B, vertex C and vertex D. So along with the four sides, a square has four vertices. Okay. Now this is written over here. A square has four vertices. Then the most important thing you need to know is all the sides of a square are equal. So children, you should know this, that the sides of a square are always equal. All the four sides, they are equal in length. Okay. So here in this figure, the sides are side AB, side AD, side BC and side CD, or you can name it as side DC also. So this is a square ABCD. These are the four sides of the square. Then children, talking about the diagonal, the line that joins the two opposite sides of a square is known as a diagonal. ठीक है. ऐसी लाइन जो दो स्क्वायर के दो ऑपोजिट साइड्स को ज्वाइन करती है, दैट इज नोन एज अ डायगोनल. सो हियर द डायगोनल इज BD और DB. ठीक है. आप इसको किसी भी तरह से प्रोनाउंस कर सकते हैं या इसको नेम कर सकते हैं BD और DB. So this is the diagonal of a square. Let's continue with the third geometrical shape, which is of a rectangle. Children, as you can see over here, this shape is of a rectangle. Okay, so let's talk about the details. So a rectangle has four sides and four vertices. So just like the square, a rectangle also has four sides and four vertices. As you can see in this figure, it has four sides. Sides AB, side BC, side CD and side AD. Okay, so a rectangle has four sides, and since it has four sides, it has four vertices also. Okay, so vertex A, vertex B, vertex C and vertex D. The meeting point or the junction of two lines, the V-like structure, is known as vertex. Okay, so here a rectangle has four sides and four vertices. Then the most important thing you need to know when you are studying a rectangle is the opposite sides of a rectangle are equal. So here, if you can see, the opposite sides means side AB, this side is equal to this side. These are opposite to each other. So side AB is equal to side CD and side AD is equal to side BC. So here the opposite sides of a rectangle are equal. So side AD will be equal to side BC and side AB is equal to side CD. So you need to learn this thing, children. The opposite sides of a rectangle are equal. So here specifically in this rectangle, if you can see, the name of this rectangle will be ABCD. Okay, and the sides are side AB, side BC, side CD and side AD. Okay, let's talk about the diagonal. The opposite line, that the line or a line that joins two opposite sides of a rectangle is known as a diagonal. So here the name of the diagonal is BD. Okay.